Understanding the main screen in BoatTrack. When you open the program, you have a choice of two screens. The smaller phone one has to display the screen separately. And so, we will use the bigger PC or tablet screen for this tutorial, where they are all combined. At the top, on the left, are the option tabs, plus links to other screens. But as this tutorial is about the main screen, we leave understanding this area to the help file or other tutorials. Also on the left are all your objects. Objects are whatever you are tracking. Above is the map area. Lastly, below is the statistics screen. Use this tick box to show or hide a single or multiple objects on the map. Put a tick in this box to lock on and follow an object's journey. When green, this icon shows this object is connected to the server and is probably exchanging data. When grayed out, the object has finished sending until the next time. The background color can be configured in settings to show an object status. The three dots open a shortcut menu, where some items have sub-menus. Show History is a shortcut alternative to the main History tab. Follow concentrates on tracking that object on the map or in a new window. Share Position lets you send that object's location to someone else. Send Command lets you activate a device like a fuel cutoff relay or remote alarm. Edit lets you change details about the object. Let's now look at the map screen. On this menu, the icons do this. Map, Zoom Control, which you can also do with your mouse slider. Enables and disables the appearance of all objects on the map screen. Enables and disables the appearance of any markers you may have added on the map screen. Enables and disables the appearance of any routes you may have added on the map screen. Enables and disables the appearance of any zones you may have added on the map screen. Enables and disables the object's labels. Enables and disables clusters of objects if you have a number of them close together. Enables and disables the import, edit and delete of KLM records, advanced. Zooms out to show all your objects on the map. Activates the measuring ruler. Activates the area measuring tool, ruler must be off. Map printer options. Other options you may have. Enables and disables traffic information if your selected map allows it. Enables and disables street view if your selected map allows it. Lastly, on the map screen, this is your map option menu. The statistics screen shows information about the selected object. As you can see, there is a lot of information here, but your screen may have different data depending on your device and package. Clicking on Graph when on the main screen does nothing. But if you are in Object History, it will display a graph of the object's speed. The same with Messages if you are in the main screen. But in History, it will display all the data packets coming back from the object. That concludes this tutorial on the main screen. You will find more like this on the support page of our website, www.boattrack.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.